Hey everyone, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be repairing this damage by patching in a new piece of carpet and pad. This damage was done by a dog that was trapped in the room and obviously wanted out. Cats will normally scratch at the carpet near the corners of the door, while dogs will bite, get a hold of, and rip the carpet and the padding up. So the first thing I have to do is cut out this damaged area of padding and clean up all this mess before installing the new pad. I had some left over from another job, and I do need extra carpet to do this repair, so I'll take some out of the closet, and the customer went ahead and bought some carpet to replace in the closet. So now the area is all cleaned up and the pad is installed. Next, I'll cut out the damaged area of carpet and get a new piece ready to do my patch. So my friend Ruben with Floors by Southern Boys was curious how I get my patches ready using a framing square, so I'm going to explain that right now. First, I'll get a right angle off the baseboard or wall, and I'll make my first mark where I'm going to be cutting. You can see how I'm going back and forth as I go along. That helps to make a straight line and separate the nap. Next, I see how far back the damage is along the backing of the carpet before making my next mark. Then I use my framing square to make a right angle off my first mark, and I do the same thing to make my second mark to the baseboard or wall. That's it for marking my cuts. Next I use my cushion back cutter, and of course I always have my blade down for the side of carpet that I will be keeping. So on this cut, my blade is on the left side. Then I will use my blade on the right side to make my other cut, since I will be using the carpet on the right side. That way I don't have to turn my body around to use the same left blade. Then I'll go ahead and use my carpet knife to cut the parts of the carpet that the cushion back cutter couldn't reach. Now that the carpet's cut out, I can clean up all this mess. This is mainly why I bought this Black & Decker hand vacuum, so I can have something small to clean up as I'm doing repairs. This vacuum is awesome. The only downside is the battery only lasts for a few jobs, but it works amazing. Here you can see how well the framing square does at separating the nap, and how well the cushion back cutter still works great even if I didn't row cut. Now on new carpet, I would always recommend row cutting when doing seams, but when doing carpet repairs with worn carpet, sometimes it's almost impossible. Here's the finished result, another great repair done. You wouldn't even know it was there if I hadn't shown you. All joking aside, this customer was very happy, and that of course makes me very happy. If you have any questions or anything to add, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching.